Me Jenna, big up yourself, cause by the time I come back, me take with that girl and gone with her.
Hey, do it again. You guys are so scary.
Your breadfruit ready with dog?
Yo, so Orange, me don't want you really ask me the pan now. Because me see you go for one topic yesterday in one video now. Go you with eat mackerel now. And about very delicious, you know. Delicious also. How you find that word in a dictionary? Me not too rate you know you.
But brother, a dirty girl them love. The white girl them love them something there. Them love hear about tasting, you know what I'm saying?
Fire upon that. And that's why me love my black skin girl them. Oh, what kind of tasting water, one taste go on a food you cook in a pot. If you can cook in a pot, me not eat that. Oh.
No, me will take away a girl, you know. As she hear about tasties, you know that my name she call.
So Orange, what you talk about take my girl? Do me sharp. Surgical blade, afraid of me. My girl them love me like cook food. When I say cook food, but me don't love them way there, no. Me don't love them way there. Me not believe so love real still no.
Anyways, me not stick pan the topic there too long, you know. Me see a hot girl on the road now, well saucy. And my type of girl them that.
Orange, and now you are speak my language. You are speak what me a speak right now. What me say? Girl for days. Girl for have girl na bungle man. What you talk about man? So what you say about that girl you know? What you say about her?
Tell you dog, me say yo, a girl genuine and better. Them girl ni no take back juicy going man yo. Hey, a bicycle man them girl they want.
Where say she want bicycle man? Me not think she gonna want me still you know. Guess what? My bicycle want spray, so me go to shop, go buy 2 tin of black spray and see what can go on for my bicycle because the last time I checked, the girl said my bicycle want spray. So guess what? Me go look one girl who want markets. So what you know? Either me go thief the money or something. But me not go the wrong way still now. You feel what me I say?
Me Jenna, big up yourself, cause by the time I come back, me take with that girl and gone with her a long time. You know Maros?
Hey boy, so Orange there saying. I'm here to tell you say subscribe to the channel you know. And click the notification bell. See your next episode is it. No joke. Big up on yourself. Don't name it.
Down.